We're trying to make some TikToks. Kima's trying to find the right lighting. We brought Shadow out today, and I did a little bit of fender rolling yesterday. Check it out. Not too bad. Could have done a little bit more right here, but I also replaced my stickers, and these aren't original OG legit Volk Racing stickers, because those things are really pricey, but I bought these to replace them, and they're not sticking that well. They keep on lifting. They keep on lifting, and I am not liking that. I might have to add some glue or something just on the edges. But we're out here making some TikToks, and looks like a nice day. Very nice day. He keeps on laughing. What happened?
I can't get the first part, bro.
Get the first part.
I can't get the lighting right.
I told you guys, it's the lighting.
It's always the lighting, bro.
And then earlier he went to Best Buy to pick up this little stand, and it has a little ring of light that you can plug in, but this thing was all like set up together and put together, and he didn't know how to freaking get the pole out. He almost went back to return it, but he figured it out. Look at him.
Damn it!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I don't know, I think I like the
struggles
mm-hmm.
to get the perfect TikTok.
Yep.
But it's not even gonna get views.
What is this for, Chino?
It's my rope. My rope.
He's gonna be pulling the car with this. It's gonna be like that, and he's gonna be walking like he's dragging his car.
There you go.
I guess I'm gonna be driving the car, and he's gonna be walking slowly, making it look like he's dragging the car because somebody didn't have a rope.
Motherfucker. You think I can't see my damn car? Yeah, put that window down over there so you could hear me when I say like
Stop.
no, just when I tell you to start going. You have to do it from that side though. I still haven't pressed the switch. Alright.
Oh my god. Let's try not to run him over. He's telling me to turn on the car. What? I barely even went.
Hold on, now I can do it.
Got used to like the What happened?
We'll walk like behind it. I'll walk first, and you behind me,
Right.
and I'll cut it, and then my car will come out, and yours will come out.
I thought you were gonna say pull again.
Pull out, bro.
Yeah.
You're fucking. We'll just do a couple.
Get closer to this side, yeah. You don't have to be like right in the middle. You go first. You go first. See it? Hey, you know this ain't no 10-second race. See it, Chino?